Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. This video is on Children's Day anchoring script for 2 anchors. If you are searching for the best Children's Day anchoring lines, school event script or anchoring in English for 2 anchors, this video is just for you. We will show you a complete engaging Children's Day anchoring script perfect for school functions, teachers' programs and stage hosting, full of fun, emotions and beautiful transitions. So, stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more anchoring scripts for school events and Children's Day celebration ideas. If you want anchoring script for single anchor, the video is already live on the channel. The link is in the description box as well as in the I button. For the PDF of this particular script, you can check the description box for details. Now, let's get started with the video. Introduction. First anchor will say, every child is a miracle in this world. A spark of hope, a bundle of dreams, and a promise of a brighter tomorrow. Good morning, respected principal sir, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. Second anchor will say, a very warm welcome to everyone on this joyous occasion. Today, we celebrate the magic, innocence, and dreams of childhood. Our very own Children's Day. Next would be lamp lighting. First anchor will say, a lamp can brighten even the darkest corners. Knowledge can illuminate the mind and heart. To begin this auspicious occasion, we invite our respected principal, sir or madam, and teachers to light the ceremonial lamp. Symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and the bright future of our children. Second anchor will say, just as this lamp spreads light, may this Children's Day inspire us to spread wisdom, love, and happiness everywhere we go. Next program would be Saraswati Vandana. Saraswati Vandana. First anchor will say, with Ma Saraswati's blessings, ignorance fades and wisdom shines. Let us seek blessings from the goddess of wisdom with a soulful Saraswati Vandana. Performed by our talented students. Second anchor will say, may I invite the students of class. Here mention the class to which the students belong to recite the Saraswati Vandana. After the recitation, first anchor will say, may Ma Saraswati bless each child here with curiosity, creativity, and courage to chase their dreams with confidence. Next program would be tribute. Second anchor will say, the heart that loves children is the heart that shapes a brighter tomorrow. Today, we honor Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, lovingly called Chacha Nehru, whose love and dedication for children continue to inspire generations. First anchor will say, to mark this tribute, we invite our respected principal sir, to come forward and offer a garland to the portrait of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as a mark of respect and admiration. Second anchor will say, we now request everyone to observe 2 minutes silence in reverence to Chacha Nehru and his enduring love for children. After 2 minutes, first anchor will say, thank you everyone, please be seated. Next would be welcome speech. Second anchor will say, to officially welcome everyone and share the essence of today's celebration, we invite our student representative to deliver the welcome speech. After the student representative delivers his or her speech, first anchor will say thank you and then the name of the student representative. Here you can also add some highlights from his or her speech. Next would be the speech by the principal sir. First anchor will say, now we invite the guiding light of our school, our respected principal sir, to share words of wisdom, encouragement and inspiration for all of us. After Principal Sir delivered his speech, second anchor will say, thank you sir. For your inspiring words. Your guidance reminds us that every child's potential is limitless and with encouragement, dedication and love, they can achieve anything. Here you can also add some of the highlight points from Principal Sir's speech. Next would be cultural programs. First anchor will say, life is a stage and every child is a star waiting to shine. With hearts full of joy, it's time to experience the magic of talent. Our cultural events, dances, songs and skits are ready to mesmerize you all. Second anchor will say, each performance celebrates creativity, energy, and the spirit of childhood. Let's cheer for our performers and encourage them with big round of applause. Now, any of the anchors will announce the name of the performers according to the program agenda or according to the list of cultural programs to be announced. After the performances, first anchor will say, amazing, what a spectacular showcase of talent. You all truly are stars lighting up our stage with joy and creativity. Next would be prize distribution. Second anchor will say, today, we also recognize the hard work and achievements of our students. It's time for the prize distribution ceremony. Now, any of the anchors may announce the name of the winners who are supposed to be given the prizes. In between, you can encourage the audience to clap harder for the winners. After the prize distribution, first anchor will say, "Congratulations to all achievers." Remember, every effort counts and every child has the power to shine brightly. Next program would be Vote of Thanks. Second anchor will say, "Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more." To formally express our gratitude, we now invite one of our responsible and eloquent students to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of all students. First anchor will say, after the student deliver his or her speech, "Thank you, dear," and then the student's name. For your beautiful words of gratitude. Second anchor will say, "Friends, with hearts full of thanks and happiness, let us move to the conclusion of this memorable celebration." So, the last part is conclusion. First anchor will say, "As we conclude, let us continue to nurture joy, imagination, and dreams in every child." Second anchor will say, "Happy Children's Day to one and all." Let's end this celebration with a big round of applause for everyone who made this day unforgettable. Then both the anchors will say, "Thank you all."